you take your picture? I took your picture. What are you doing? You want to see you? Here's a good. Are you studying? Are you studying with Mommy? He's my little boy. What are you doing?
Okay.
Are you studying?
Yes.
You doing a good job? You gonna make an A on your test? You gonna make an A?
A.
An A.
A.
A. Do you hear Daddy?
Yeah. Okay.
You're missing out on arts and crafts just to spend time with Mommy?
No, you're fine. Okay.
Good.
No.